Hey everyone, it's Sarah with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video I want to demonstrate how to don and doff gloves whenever wearing PPE. First, perform hand hygiene, then don gloves by pulling each glove over the hand and extending the cuff of the gloves over the sleeves of the gown. Next, remove the gloves. Do not touch the outside of the gloves because they are considered contaminated. To remove the gloves, start by taking your non-dominant gloved hand to grab the other glove around the cuff in the wrist area. Do this by using a pinching motion to grab it. Peel this glove off by turning it inside out and wad it into a ball with your gloved hand. Keep it securely in your gloved hand. Then take the index finger of the ungloved hand and slide it carefully under the cuff of the gloved hand and peel the glove off the hand by pushing the index finger forward against the glove. This will turn the glove inside out. Dispose of the gloves. Then perform hand hygiene. Okay, so that wraps up this demonstration on how to don and doff gloves. And be sure to check out the other videos in this series.